Good day, this is Herbert from Northside Nissan. We do have here today this beautiful 2024 Toyota Camry SE. This is practically a brand new vehicle with only under 15,000 kilometers at the moment on the odometer. It's pure white. Although it's an SE, it has aluminum wheels and has also the safety features like forward collision avoidance. This car is priced at a lower price below the market just because it has some hail from the last storm in Calgary. I'm gonna try to focus as much as I can so then we can notice the little dings that some of the areas have. It's mostly on the top areas like the hood, the roof, and also the trunk. But also here on the pillars, we got some few marks as well. This car comes with factory heated seats, backup camera as well, and has the Toyota reliability. These Toyota Camrys have a very strong engine that can go beyond the 400,000 kilometers as well. You cannot see the dings from far, just from close. What color hides them? This is a combination of leather and cloth in the center, so it doesn't feel as cold in winter time or as hot in summertime. And the driver's seat is the one that is powered, the passenger seat is not. And here are the controls for the heated seats. Automatic transmission, USB port connection, digital controls for the climate. Very crisp screen. The rest of the controls for our audio and cruise control. And there you have the kilometers as well.